Hello and welcome. I want to tell you a bit about this, my new toy, and the DVLA, and about registering classic vehicles once they're 40 years old to make them exempt from road tax and MOT. It's not as straightforward as you think. So I googled around, couldn't find an answer, went to our local head office, post office, and asked them, and they told me it's dead simple. You just have to tell DVLA that you want the vehicle registered as a classic, because they don't do it automatically. Anyway, I got told I had to send my logbook along with a V10 form completed and a covering letter to DVLA telling them what I wanted to do. So I completed all that, sent it off, thought it'd be a pretty straightforward process. After about 4 or 5 weeks, nothing from DVLA. Telephoned them, not overly helpful, apart from telling me they're experiencing slight delays. Well, not surprised really. Waited another 3 or 4 weeks, probably about 8 or 9 weeks in total. Finally got this letter back, which basically explains the whole thing. So, DVLA only update the register once a year, January the 1st. And depending on when the bike or vehicle was originally registered, has quite a bearing on this. This one, 6th of January. So it won't become exempt, and I can't register it for exemption until the 1st of January 2027. So I've got to get it taxed and MOT for basically the whole of this year, which was not explained in any documentation I can find. I've also got the RD 500, which you've probably seen before if you watch this channel. That one's actually in June this year, so I can do them both in January. So don't see me much in January. Okay, so that's the process. All that paperwork, make sure your bike is over that period. It has to be as from January the 1st of whatever year, and you can register it obviously for exempt classics status. Anyway, I can't show you much more of this bike, although I will do once I get it on the road, because I've got tax, MOT and insured. I will see you later. Bye bye for now.